Welcome to Eyeson. Today I am going to show you how to share your screen or do presentations during an Eyeson video meeting. After you have started a video call, on the left toolbar you can find the presentation icon. Now you have three options: share screen as a presentation, share screen instead of your own video, or share file. For example, if you'd like to show a video on a web page, you can either share your entire screen with the system audio or share your browser tab with the tab audio. The third option would be to share an application window, but here no audio sharing is available. Just tick the checkbox in the lower left corner of your pop-up and start the presentation.
Nowadays,
To find out which browsers and operating systems support the audio sharing feature, please visit our Help Center. To end screen sharing, go back to your call page and click Stop. The second option for screen sharing is pretty much the same. However, you share your content instead of your own video. This feature is especially useful for tutoring, customer support, and co-browsing. To end screen sharing, you can simply click on Stop Sharing in the browser pop-up. The third option is to upload a PDF, image, or video file you want to present just by drag and dropping. After you do so, Eyeson offers you a preview. Press Present. If you share PDFs or images, you will find a toolbar in the lower right corner of the screen. Here you can reposition and adjust your self-view on the presentation screen. With the pencil, you have the option to mark and write things on the image or PDF in different colors. You can undo and redo what you marked, or you can use the bin button to clear everything at once. Again, click Stop to end this feature. If you would like to present a video, it basically works the same as with PDFs and images. Drag and drop a local video file into the meeting, and when you're ready, click on Present. Before playing the video, you can adjust the volume and use the slider to change the starting time.
many video conferencing programs and applications.
No matter if you're sharing your screen or presenting a local video, you can still use your microphone and continue speaking. To stop the presentation, click Stop. Enjoy your Eyeson video meetings, and if you have any questions, make sure to visit our Help Center and also leave us a comment.